Developers of the $440 million Electric Works mixed-use innovation district near downtown Fort Wayne say the future of that massive project could be in jeopardy. In an open letter posted on the project's website, officials from RTM Ventures said a small group of people in positions of influence and power are working aggressively to thwart the progress of the project and the potential of the community. Now, developers say they need the project to be a regional economic development priority. And for reaction, I'm pleased to be joined by RTM Ventures partner Jeff Kingsbury and Pago USA president and co-founder Eric Doden to explain what's next. Gentlemen, welcome to the program.
Thanks for having us.
Jeff, I'll start with you. And that post from RTM, obviously concerned about, as we were talking off camera, what you're describing as a small group of people who maybe have other ideas about the project.
Yeah, and we felt it was important to let the community know about that. But what we're focused on really is the level of community support that we do have for the project. From the beginning, when we started this 3 years ago, this has been all about the community and our focus on quality of life, education, workforce development, and economic development. And so that's why 9 out of 10 Allen County residents support the project. So that's what we're focused on.
This is a redevelopment of an old General Electric campus that was once employed, I think, more than 20,000 people in its heyday. Unbelievable. And you've got, as you mentioned, support, Parkview Health, IU Research and Technology Corporation, Indiana Tech, Joseph DeQuee, the fine dining establishment. You've got a lot of commitments.
We absolutely do. Over 125,000 square feet committed. But what I'm most excited about is 225 new planned jobs for Allen County, and that's really what this project is all about. It's about talent attraction, it's about economic development, and that's what we're staying focused on.
Eric, in your current role at Pago, new company, Pago USA, but also your previous role as president of the Indiana Economic Development Corporation, as you look at this project and the significance that it could have for Northeast Indiana, what is it, especially when it comes to this whole issue of talent attraction?
Well, I think, Fort Wayne's on a march to be a nationally recognized economy, and we're starting to have publications all over the country. We have 5 national publications writing about Fort Wayne right now, 224 million impressions. So this is the kind of project that makes you a national economy, and it starts to attract jobs from national companies who are looking to relocate to the Midwest.
How important is that momentum? First of all, the reaction or the recognition, I guess, from national markets around the country. How important is that to the future of the project?
Well, I think the momentum that we've achieved just has to continue, and it's critical. I mean, without momentum, your economy begins to become neutral and die. And so we're just committed to getting this project done and making sure that we continue that momentum that we've established in Fort Wayne.
Jeff, what's going to be key? We were talking off camera about the need for the private sector to inject perhaps some capital.
Yeah. Well, the playbook on how to develop innovation districts is pretty clear, and it's played out really all over the country. In Durham, for example, with the American Tobacco Campus, we're even seeing it here in 16 Tech, Discovery Park in West Lafayette, where you have these partnerships between eds and meds institutions collaborating with business to drive innovation. That's what Electric Works is really all about. So we're going to continue to focus on building our leasing with the right tenants that want to partner and collaborate with eds and meds institutions. But in addition to that, we also need to show to the national capital markets co-investment opportunities for them to come in and join local investors into the community.
As we wrap up, Eric, as you look at private sector potential out there in Fort Wayne, but also Northeast Indiana, how much potential is there in the private sector market?
Well, we have national investors looking at Fort Wayne right now. I'm talking with them on an almost daily basis, and this checks a lot of boxes as historic preservation. It's about education, it's about workforce development, it's about these types of things, and so, and it's also impact investing, social impact investing, which is a very big deal to especially the national firms. So, but they also want to see that we have state and local investors co-investing with them, and so I think when we put all this together, it's going to come to a very successful conclusion.
Electric Works, massive project in Fort Wayne, looking to perhaps close on the deal later this year, perhaps November. We'll keep an eye on that. Jeff Kingsbury is a partner at RTM Ventures. Eric Doden, president at Pago USA. Thanks, gentlemen, very much.
Thanks, Gary.
All right.